Welcome everyone. In this video lecture, we will solve a GATE 2000 question in which we have to find out the op-amp output voltage in presence of input offset voltage and open loop gain. So in the question, input offset voltage and open loop voltage gain is given. So we have to find the output voltage. So the question is here, an op-amp shown below, this one is the circuit, has an input offset voltage of 5 millivolt and open loop voltage gain of 10,000 or 10 to power 4. Then we have to find out the value of output voltage. So if this is the circuit, one can simply write the output voltage V naught equals to the gain, open loop gain, okay, into, or like this we can write V plus minus V minus. This one is the standard formula when the open loop gain is given. Output voltage as a function of open loop gain AOL V plus input across the inverting in and non-inverting in. Non-inverting in minus inverting in. So in this question, it is looks like all the inverting in and non-inverting are grounded. So if we say like this, it will 0 volt. But in question, it is clearly mentioned the input offset voltage is given 5 millivolt. So we can say Vi naught or input offset voltage, better to write input offset voltage is given. So this value is 5 millivolt. So this input offset voltage may be either in the V plus side or V minus side. We can't show any one of the input terminal. This value, the V plus may be 5 millivolt, or simply say the V minus is 5 millivolt. This one is some input offset voltage which is given offset voltage. When V plus is 5 volt, in this case when V plus is 5 volt, in that time the V minus will be our 0 volt, okay. And similarly when V minus is 5 volt, the V plus equals to 0 volt. So this one is the theory, okay, output. But we cannot say this value is V naught equals to V plus minus V minus, because if we look like V plus equals to V minus, it's now grounded here. As well, if nothing is given, then it should be 0 volt. Then AOL V plus minus V minus will be 0. But this one is not the correct answer. Okay, option are 0 volt, 5 volt, because input offset voltage is given. So you cannot take this one. A option is wrong. Okay, because some input offset voltage is given means either this voltage is maybe 5 millivolt or this may be 5 millivolt. So at the same time, only one inverting in maybe 5 millivolt, other will be grounded. So I am writing here. Okay, so now the other thing, the other parameter, that is our AOL. AOL is given. AOL is given 10 to power 4. Okay. This one is our voltage gain. Okay. Open loop voltage gain. So now this open loop voltage gain is there. So now we have to find the output voltage. So the output voltage simply we can write V naught equals to 10 to power 4 when we are as a 5 millivolt and another should be 0 volt. Okay, when we are considering in this case V plus 5 millivolt, that is our input offset, and V minus 0 volt, we are considering input offset at non inverting in. So if we find, this value will be 50 volt. Now again, if we go for the V naught value, one can also write 10 to the power 4 0 minus 5 millivolt. So this one is our V minus. Okay, V minus is also 5 millivolt. So this value will be minus 50 volt. So V naught value is 50 volt, 50 volt and minus 50 volt. So this value is in option, but it can't be possible. It is not possible because the value may be only in between the output voltage cannot exceed plus or minus 15 volt, cannot exceed plus or minus 15 volt. So the output value will be either 15 volt or V naught value will be minus 15 volt. So this one will be the correct answer for this question. Means V naught will be either plus 15 or minus 15. Okay, means if we solve it will come 50 volt minus 50 volt, but it is not possible because the supply voltage is in the range of plus or minus 15 volt. So this one is the correct answer, and offset value is given. So this offset value, it is not clearly mentioned in which in. So we have to consider either in the it is in the inverting in or non-inverting in. So we have to consider this one is in the inverting in and non-inverting in. Then in that time V minus will be 0 volt, like that. So in that way we can find the value of output voltage. So the main formula is V naught equals to A naught L V plus minus V plus minus of V minus. So after solving all the things